Are you someone who owns a business that is struggling to pay the bills and need a solution to solve this problem right now? In the next 2 minutes, I will tell you how you can create a stream of income online and save your business. But if you do not want to invest in yourself to build an online business, I do not want to waste your time. This video is not meant for you. Building an online business to make money online is the best way. You can learn it yourself and you can use effective online marketing skills to find the right customers to increase sales to save your business. An online business is open 24/7. It is cheap, easy, and effective. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Nowadays, everyone buys things online because it is safe and easy. That is the reason why the best time to start an online business is now. How to set up an automatic system in the right way? Important is that you must learn skills, get the right education, and you need to invest in yourself. Here you can get a free workshop video series, which my mentor Stuart teaches how to create an online business in a challenging time like this. He and his great community that trains thousands of people on how to build an online business to make money online for more than 10 years. They're using a simple platform to teach people like me who have no experience or skills to build an online business. Before the time, I was sick and tired of not getting enough customers in my shop and also worrying about the overhead, and the worst is the long opening hours because that keep me away from my family and my friends. This workshop video series have changed my life forever. There are many ways to earn money online. This is all covered by this workshop video series. I want to let everyone know about this opportunity. If you're open to learn some new things and put some work and effort in making some changes in your business and life to create some online business to make a stream passive income online instead of struggling to pay bills and overhead, I strongly recommend you to just click the button below to have a look at the video series yourself, surrounding yourself with the right people, because this community and all the people will support you on your journey. You do not need to do it alone. This video series is the best choice for you. I will put a link below and that you can click on it. I will send you the valuable free video series directly to your email inbox. Do not miss this opportunity. Take action now. You will be glad you did. I will see you inside. Take care and bye for now.